Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on Fitbit. We click on settings. We go here like this. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Fitbit. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. So that we go to Play Store and then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.